welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and this channel is Let's Do This, where we put up DIY and lifestyle and makeup related content, mostly Wednesdays. But I'm really sorry for missing out last week's video because I have been crazy occupied with this thing that has happened in my life. So very recently I thought about starting my own e-commerce, and within 10 days we had all the products ready, we had the website ready, everything is taken care of by me. So it was crazy, it was definitely crazy. But yeah, now that it's ready and now that it's live, now that we've already started receiving and fulfilling the orders, I am super pumped to let you guys know that we have an e-commerce store which is called Divyakala. I am crazy excited about it, and I want all of you, whoever is watching this video, just to go to the website, look around, what you like, what you not, and let me know if we can resolve any issues that you're facing on the website. Let me tell you a little more about it. So Divyakala is my e-commerce store's name, and the reason it's called Divyakala is Divya, that's my name, and Kala is art. It's literally what craft and art is known in Hindi. It's Kala. So hence the name Divyakala. So the reason why we started this store is pretty similar to why I started this channel, to have a creative release in some sort. So at Divyakala, everything that you see on the site is curated and created by myself. We take a lot of pride in our products, and hence the logo itself says Divyakala, handcrafted with love. Because all of these products are handmade, they're made with so much love and patience. Each product gets so much time and attention from our end. Um, and the other thing that I really wanted to focus on was in eco-friendly packaging. Even when I had not started a store, and I remember discussing this with one of my mentors at the time, I mentioned that I wanted to do something related to e-commerce, and I did not really know what it was going to be. So one thing that I was really sure of was that all of the products would be packaged eco-friendly, and we would endorse minimal wastage that happens, because I know I shop a lot online, and after one lot of shopping I just have collected so much waste, so much plastic, and I just hate it. So we've ensured that we do eco-friendly packaging and minimal wastage. So all of the things that we've used are non-plastic, they're mostly made from paper. We're also going to move towards cloth and jute and things that can decompose very easily, which will not damage or harm our planet as much as plastic does. Um, so definitely that is the other thing that we're very proud of. As of now, we just have one product which is basically focused on the festival of Raksha Bandhan, the festival that celebrates the bond of brothers and sisters. So as of now, we only have Rakhis. I'm sorry to disappoint a lot of you, but please be aware that we come up with a lot of new and amazing range of products which will be well suited for everyone. Post Raksha Bandhan, we're going to launch a lot of products. So for this Raksha Bandhan, we have also planned a giveaway. We will be giving away this beautiful Rakhi to one of you guys, and all you have to do is give a shout out to my Instagram account, which is called @Divyakala, and also Let's Do This for Real, which is basically for this YouTube channel. And I want you to post this, go follow that channel, and post it on your stories, and comment down below here once you're done with all of that, and mention your Instagram handles, and we will definitely pick out a lucky winner, and that person will be sent this beautiful Rakhi. If you don't have a brother, if you can't send it to your brother, definitely moving ahead, if you like any of our packages, you will get that as a gift hamper. So yeah, enough talking, enough chit chatting. Let me show you what this site really looks like. I have spent so much time on it, and I absolutely had to make sure that it looked amazing. So this is how the site looks like. This is the website. It's available at www.divyakala.com, and this is how the webpage looks like. We have these ranges of products, something about me. We also cater to special requests and orders. You can request those here. And just a little more description. Next, if you want to shop any product, you hover over Shop Rakhi, and there are these categories are also available. If you click on Shop Rakhi, you will be taken up to this page where you can see all of our products. Now, all of these products are again handmade by myself, so we have a very limited range, definitely, but all of the pieces here you can see are just beautiful, gorgeous. The pictures have definitely come up really nice, but I can tell you, once you receive these, you will be much more amazed. So we have all of these sections. There's Bhaiya Bhabhi Rakhi. We have 4 items here. There's Kids Rakhi. Again, we have these small size Rakhis, and these are again 4. There are 4 different pieces in this category. There is this very special category, it's called Thank You Rakhi. Now these pieces can be given to your, to your watchmen, to your guards, to your grocery walas, to anyone who's helped you during this lockdown period, because we've had so much help from these workers, your doctors and police and so many people who were around us working days and nights. Even though we were locked down, these guys were still working. So this is a sort of thank you to these people who helped us, who protected us during this difficult time. So we have Thank You Rakhi. We also have a DIY kit. So what happens here is that you have a design, and we'll send a picture of the design, and we'll send you everything that is needed to create this piece of Rakhi yourself. So again, this would be such a sweet gesture to your brother, because you will be putting in the effort, right? We're giving you everything. We're giving you the product. We're giving you this beautiful potli that comes in. We're giving you threads. We're giving you glue. All of it. You just have to create it yourself. So I thought this was a very fun idea, and I incorporated it here. Next, we have a Dharmik Rakhi set. Now, these are completely devoted to our Hindu mythology. We have a swastik and we have an Om Rakhi as well. These have been they've been really in demand. Then we also have this category called waterproof Rakhi, and I have dedicated this section to my brother, because if ever, like, it's there's me and my sister, and the two of us, whenever we tie him a Rakhi, he never takes it off. So I definitely had to make a collection wherein you don't have to take off the Rakhi. It will not be damaged. Instead, it will go on for a longer duration, and it will just look as pretty as it did when the day you tied it. So we have mostly bead work and thread work here. Although this pair is already sold out, but if there's a special request, if there's something different in color that you'd want, we'll definitely try to make it out. Um, yeah, so this is everything that we have on Devakala as of now. It's completely centered on Rakhi, because of the festival Raksha Bandhan that's going to happen on 3rd of August. So if you're willing to place an order, please do it in the coming 2-3 days, because post that the shipping will take longer. We ship all over India, and we try to send out the pieces the very next day, when we once we receive the order, so that these pieces reach you way before before Raksha Bandhan, that is on 3rd of August. So again, I will urge you, if there's an order that you have to place, please do it in the coming 2-3 days, so that we can send it out to you and you receive it way before Raksha Bandhan happens. So this is what the website looks like. I am super pumped, and I am always surprised and taken back by the number of visitors we have on this site. It's really amazing. So this is about the website, and we will be coming up with a lot of products. Again, so if you want to enter the giveaway, follow my Instagram account, post one of my pictures as your stories. from Divyakala. Comment down below once you've done all of that, and you will automatically be a part of the giveaway. And whoever wins, we'll be reaching out to them very soon. Also, if you have a special request on what should be put up on the website, please mention that down in the comment section below. Tell me how did you like this video, and if you like my channel, if you like this video, if you like watching me, then please subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you like this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.